Tom at Certify Me. Hey, if you're in the Sacramento Delta and you're looking for forklift certification, if you're an individual, we've included some links below. If you've never driven a forklift and you need training, you want to get a job in the warehouse and logistics industry, that's great. We need all the help we can get. If you're an experienced individual and you need certification to apply for a job, the best bet is to go through a rental company or a staffing agency. Like I said, we've included some links below. If you're a company, you just need to certify your operators. We have a program that's been successful for hundreds of thousands of companies for 25 years. We'd appreciate a chance to compete for your business. So there's a link for that below as well. In Sacramento, it's hotter than the dickens, and we all know, and the summer's coming up. And in that Delta, it can just get sweltering hot. I've done some jobs there, moving big transformers in Tracy, California, which isn't far from Sacramento. So this summer, we're offering a special, June, July, and August. Normally, our heat stress course sells for $39.95. All summer long, June, July, and August, it's half off, $19.95. There will be a link down there to take advantage of the special offer. So good luck in Sacramento. If you're looking for certification, you found the right spot. If you're looking for training as an individual, there will be some links right there where you can find resources for that. Thanks.